माय चैनल। तो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कि एक DIY फ़ोटो फ्रेम आप घर में इजीली कैसे बना सकते हो। एंड आई नो यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग मैं क्यों हिंदी में बोलने लगी। Please don't mind guys, from today I'm gonna speak both in English, so you can literally gift it to your mom, dad, brother, sister, your friends, boyfriend, anybody. So bina time waste kiye, let us just start with the video.
So for this you will need some newspapers, a hardboard cover, a plastic, a fabric color, you can use any color, scale, pencil, pen, scissor, some glue, and yeah, that's all. I'm gonna cut the newspaper into small parts. Now I will fold the newspaper as shown in the video. Now I will stick it with a glue. Now I will again start rolling it up. So this is how it should look like. So I'm gonna make 26 of them. Now I will start sticking it up. तो ये कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. I have fixed it with Flex Quick Instant Adhesive. You can find it in any stationery shop. Now I will paint it with a red fabric color. You can use any color you want. I'm done with the coloring. So here I'm taking the plastic sheet and I will mark it according to the measurement of the frame. So I have cut it out. Now I will take the hardboard and mark it according to the size of the sheet. So here I have cut it out. I'm gonna wrap it with the black chart paper. This is how it will look like. I have also cut out a stand which is going to support the frame. So here I will stick the plastic into the frame. I'm gonna seal all the four sides of the plastic. I have sticked the plastic and this is how it will look like. Now I am going to stick the hardboard. Here I will stick only 3 sides of it because I have to enter a photo through one side, so I will keep it open. And here we are almost done. So this is how it will be looking like. So now you can insert your photo. This is the way you will be able to insert it. You can also take it out if required. So yes, we are done. See, it looks so pretty.
तो उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, और अगर पसंद आया है तो लाइक ज़रूर करना एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू हिट दैट बेल आइकन टू गेट नोटिफिकेशन whenever I'm up with a new video. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.